Did you know that artificial intelligence, the kind that's revolutionizing our world, can be categorized into 7 distinct stages? It's like climbing a technological ladder, with each rung representing a significant leap in AI's capabilities. As technology plays an increasingly vital role in our lives, understanding where we stand in this AI journey can be incredibly insightful. In this video, we'll simplify each stage for you, breaking down the complexities into bite-sized pieces. Let's begin with the first stage, rule-based AI systems. Picture this. You're playing a game of chess against a computer. Every move the computer makes, every pawn it pushes or knight it leaps is predetermined by a set of rules programmed by humans. That, my friends, is the essence of rule-based AI. These systems, often referred to as one-task systems, represent the earliest stage of AI development. They're like diligent students who've memorized the textbook but haven't quite grasped the nuances of applying that knowledge in a dynamic setting. Imagine a simple spam filter. It operates on predefined rules. If an email contains certain keywords or comes from a specific sender, it gets flagged. These systems are great for automating simple tasks, but their limitations become apparent when faced with complex, real-world scenarios. They lack the flexibility to adapt to new situations or learn from their experiences. The beauty of rule-based AI lies in its transparency. We understand exactly how these systems work, as they operate on the logic we've programmed into them. However, their rigidity restricts their ability to truly learn and evolve. Now let's shift our focus to the next stage of AI evolution, context awareness and retention systems. Imagine a world where your computer remembers your preferences as well as your best friend, or your phone anticipates your needs before you even voice them. That's the promise of context awareness and retention systems, the second stage in our AI journey. These systems represent a significant leap from their rule-based predecessors. They don't just follow pre-programmed instructions, they learn from past interactions and use that knowledge to inform their future responses. A modern navigation app powered by context-aware AI can analyze real-time data, learn from your past trips, and suggest alternative routes to avoid congestion or delays. This ability to learn and adapt is what sets context-aware AI apart. These systems can recognize patterns, make associations, and even predict future behavior based on past data. The potential of context-aware AI extends far beyond healthcare. They strive to master specific domains, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We've journeyed from the rigid world of rule-based AI to the adaptable realm of context-aware systems. Now enter the arena of specialized expertise with domain-specific mastery systems. These AI marvels excel in specific fields, surpassing human capabilities. Imagine AI diagnosing diseases or designing stunning buildings. These are glimpses of what domain-specific mastery systems can achieve. These AI specialists are like chess grandmasters, mastering their domains. They make complex decisions and solve intricate problems. Domain-specific AI is making strides in scientific discovery. AI analyzes massive data sets and generates hypotheses. From drug discovery to exploring the cosmos, AI is revolutionizing our world. The impact of domain-specific AI extends beyond science. In business, AI optimizes supply chains and automates financial transactions. Developing sophisticated AI systems must align with human values and goals. We've explored AI systems that follow rules, learn from context, and master specific domains. Now let's enter the realm of thinking and reasoning AI systems, where the line between machine and mind blurs. These systems mimic the cognitive processes of the human brain. They analyze information, make judgments, and exhibit common sense. Imagine an AI that understands human language nuances and subtle cues. Such systems could revolutionize customer service, education, and diplomacy. Picture an AI detective solving complex crimes by connecting clues. Researchers are developing AI to assist law enforcement in solving crimes. These AI systems learn and adapt like human cognition. They form internal representations, make inferences, and learn from mistakes. Replicating human thought complexity is a monumental task. Despite challenges, the benefits of these AI systems are too great to ignore. Now brace yourselves as we venture into the realm of artificial general intelligence. We've scaled the heights of AI, from rule-based systems to machines that mimic human thought. Now prepare to enter a realm that sparks both awe and apprehension: artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This isn't about AI that excels in a specific domain or mimics a particular aspect of human intelligence. AGI, also known as strong AI, represents the holy grail of artificial intelligence research, a system that possesses the cognitive abilities of a human being across all intellectual tasks. Imagine an AI that can not only understand and respond to your questions, but can also learn new languages, compose symphonies, write compelling novels, and even experience emotions. This is the promise of AGI, a future where machines possess the same intellectual flexibility and adaptability as humans. AGI is the stuff of science fiction, often depicted in films and literature as either benevolent companions or existential threats to humanity. But while AGI remains largely theoretical, it continues to captivate the imaginations of scientists, philosophers, and technologists alike. The challenges of creating AGI are immense. It's not simply a matter of building more powerful computers or developing more sophisticated algorithms. AGI requires a fundamental understanding of consciousness, self-awareness, and the very essence of what it means to be human. Despite the uncertainty surrounding AGI, its potential impact on society is undeniable. But our journey doesn't end with AGI. Prepare to delve into a realm beyond even human-level intelligence. A realm where machines surpass our cognitive abilities by an immeasurable degree. We've ascended the Mount Everest of AI, reaching the theoretical summit of artificial general intelligence. Now, brace yourselves as we venture into the stratosphere, a realm that stretches the limits of human comprehension, artificial superintelligence, or ASI. If AGI represents machines achieving human-level intelligence, ASI catapults us into a reality where artificial intelligence surpasses human cognitive abilities by an unfathomable margin. Imagine an intelligence that doesn't just understand human emotions but can manipulate them with surgical precision. An intelligence that can solve problems beyond the scope of human comprehension, predict the future with uncanny accuracy, and even control the very fabric of reality itself. ASI is the realm of technological singularity, a hypothetical point in time when technological growth becomes uncontrollable and irreversible, resulting in unforeseeable changes to human civilization. Some experts believe that ASI could usher in a golden age for humanity, a utopia where disease, poverty, and suffering are eradicated. Others fear that ASI could spell our doom, leading to a dystopian future where humans are enslaved or eradicated by our own creations. The truth, as with most things, likely lies somewhere in between. ASI, if achieved, would fundamentally alter our relationship with technology and our place in the cosmos. It would challenge our understanding of intelligence, consciousness, and the very meaning of existence. The ethical implications of ASI are staggering, but our journey through the stages of AI isn't over yet. There's one final stage to explore, a stage that encompasses not just the evolution of AI, but the potential transformation of human civilization itself. We've explored the spectrum of artificial intelligence, from its humble beginnings to the mind-boggling potential of ASI. Now, we arrive at a concept that transcends even the realm of superintelligence, a concept that grapples with the very essence of technological evolution and the future of humanity itself. The AI Singularity. The singularity, often described as a technological event horizon, represents a hypothetical point in time when technological progress accelerates beyond our ability to predict or control its consequences. It's the point at which artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, biotechnology, and other transformative technologies converge, creating a cascade of change that reshapes the very fabric of reality as we know it. Imagine a world where intelligence is no longer confined to biological brains, but permeates every aspect of our environment, from the clothes we wear to the buildings we inhabit. A world where disease and aging are relics of the past, where our thoughts can be instantly uploaded and shared, and where the boundaries between physical and virtual realities dissolve. The singularity is a concept that has captivated futurists, philosophers, and science fiction writers for decades. It's a double-edged sword, a future that holds both utopian possibilities and dystopian perils. As we stand on the cusp of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, a period of unprecedented technological change, we must approach the future with both excitement and caution. Wow, creating this video was quite a journey through the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. If you found this exploration insightful and want to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content. If you've made it this far, drop the word AI in the comments below, signaling your presence in this digital cosmos and showing us that you've absorbed the knowledge from this video. For more intriguing topics that will ignite your curiosity, check out the recommended video popping up on your screen right now. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep looking up at the stars. Thanks for watching.